Hi guys! Today we woke up to so much snow. I could not wait to get out there and play. I didn't last very long though, honey. I'm too old for all this. But no snow day is complete without a pot of homemade soup, right? So today on Divas and Cook, we are making this hearty vegetable soup. It is so good and so flavorful. You're gonna love this one. Let's go. Okay, here are all the vegetables that I'm gonna put in my vegetable soup. You can swap out, just use your favorite ones, all right? First thing we're gonna do is add some olive oil into my pot here. We're gonna heat it up on medium, and then we're gonna add in our celery, we're gonna add in our carrots, and we're gonna add in our yellow onions, all right? We're gonna cook these just until they are a little bit tender. You don't have to cook them all the way because we are gonna simmer this soup a little bit, but just until those carrots have that nice little, like a light little crunch to them, that's when we can add in all that garlic. Go ahead and dump it all in, girl, don't be shy. Add in all of that yummy garlic. We're gonna cook this garlic until it's fragrant, and then we're gonna add in our tomatoes. Now you don't have to use this many tomatoes. I just really like tomatoes in my vegetable soup like that. So good. All right, stir that on up. Now I'm gonna add my potatoes. I'm using the yellow potatoes, so I didn't even peel them. I just like diced them up and threw it in, honey. Works just fine. Okay, now we're gonna add in our little shriveled up green beans. This is like leftovers. This is why I like vegetable soup. You can just like add in leftovers, and it works like a charm. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my chicken broth. You can use some beef broth. What is beef? I keep saying beef. Beef broth if you want to, or some vegetable broth. I just really love my chicken broth. Y'all know that I love me some chicken broth. Now comes the spices. I have my bay leaf, get in there. I have some brown sugar, some parsley, thyme, oregano, basil. All that yumminess is going into this pot, you guys. It's gonna be so flavorful. Just give it a nice little stir, and then we're gonna bring it to a light boil, kind of like this right here, and then we're gonna simmer it, okay? Cover it up, simmer it for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until those potatoes are nice and soft, and then it's gonna look like this right here. Lots of spices and herbs in there. Yes, you can also use fresh herbs. And now's the time to add in our corn. I'm using frozen corn, and I'm also using frozen peas. You can use frozen or fresh with this soup, okay? Don't use canned. Don't do that. Now I'm gonna add in some garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. Okay, there's onion powder and some pepper. Now is the time to just taste it. Taste. Season and taste is how you get a really good soup, all right? Now on the side, I got me some little grilled cheese roll-ups. You gotta have grilled cheese with vegetable soup. It's just, oh yes, it just all works so well together. And my boys really like these grilled cheese roll-ups. And there you have it. We are like done. Look at that, the whole garden up in there. What? Yes, but it's so easy and flavorful, and it is comforting and cozy and hearty. It will definitely fill you up. You can add some beef and pasta if you want to, but that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will know when I post new videos.